Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the web browser on the Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to go to the system settings. Then you want to go down to the internet settings and then enter them. Then you're going to be searching for networks. And then you need to select a network you want to connect to. So click the A button, then click on Change Settings. Then you want to scroll down a bit to the DNS section. And for DNS settings, you want to click on it and make sure Manual is selected. Then you want to go to the primary DNS IPv4 address. So in the description below, there's going to be two addresses. You need to pick one of them to enter here. So there's a UK address and a USA address. Pick the address of the country that's closest to you. So if you're in the UK, pick the UK one. If you're in the USA, pick the USA one. But if you're in Canada, you'd pick the USA one. This will just make your browsing experience a bit quicker. And once you've typed in the address, press OK. Then you want to click on Save. And your settings have been saved. Then you want to go back to the registered networks. Go to the network that you've changed the DNS address for. Then click on Connect to this network. And it's going to fail. However, we want it to fail. And after a while, you'll be told registration is required to use this network. So click on OK. And now you'll be taken to the Nintendo Switch 2 web browser. And you'll be on BrowseDNS. And BrowseDNS just allows you to use the hidden web browser on the Switch 2. So we can go on to Google. And we can search stuff if we want to. So this is safe. It's not going to destroy your Switch 2. However, your browsing experience will be limited because this is a very basic web browser. If you want to exit the web browser, just press the X button, and then click on Close. If you want to reset your DNS settings back to normal so you can connect to the internet normally and play online games or do whatever, go to the settings of your network, go back to DNS, and then go to the DNS settings and just set it to be automatic, then click Save, then connect to your network like you normally would, and it's going to work. However, if you want to use the Nintendo Switch 2 web browser again, you're going to need to repeat the steps before. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.